As we commemorate Juneteenth, acknowledging current policies and practices that perpetuate discriminations and barriers to affordable and accessible housing, we must also celebrate the success of Black owners.
As my awareness of the world expanded, I never dared to dream of owning my own home. Before I had the language to name it, I knew that the political and economic state of the country didn't allow for those kind of opportunities for people like me. As a young adult, I limited myself to complacency in small apartments year to year, and I figured that would be my future. I continued to save money for a future in a home that I didn't believe I'd ever reach. It wasn't until I found Housing in Action that I began to imagine how a vision of my life could be changed by homeownership. These days, I drive home from work every day through the tree-lined streets of North Minneapolis. I park in my garage, I unlock my door, and I exhale the stress of every day when I close my door behind me in my own home.
Homeownership builds generational wealth, strengthens communities, and shapes their futures. Kara's story is an example for the next generation of young Black homeowners, reminding us that Juneteenth, we must celebrate the freedom to rebuild, remember, and reclaim community.